I'm today with Luisa. Luisa is with Tomorrow's Company. Got a delightful accent, which she tells me is from Portugal, but we will get into
kind
it.
of. Yeah, we'll get into it.
We'll get into it. The thing I want to talk about today is something quite exciting. She works with something called the Force for Good Pioneers. She's leveraging the social media story to try and make sure that that's working together. So it's going to be quite exciting. So without further ado, perhaps I should ask Louise what the purpose of Force for Good Pioneer Forum is.
Right. So I guess it has several purposes. One thing that we identified working with big businesses, mostly in London, is that if you're a head of sustainability, you tend to be kind of lonely in your role, and you need a space where you can share with others and learn from others and kind of support others and get support for yourself. So the first part of the forum is bringing these sustainability experts together to get them to talk about best practice, what's working, what's happening, and also to discuss, a particular project that they're working on. So the last meeting, which wasn't that long ago, we focused on Lend-Lease. They build big buildings, and they're currently redeveloping a huge area of London. It's in the heart of central London. It's kind of run down at the moment, and it's been that way for a while. And so they've created an amazing project that redevelops the area, makes it a sustainable and green space, and makes it a nice environment to live in. So it's also about well-being and productivity, etc., community. It's a big project, it's challenging, it's one of the 17 Clinton climate initiatives in the entire world, so it's a big one. So the last forum meeting focused on that. From that we produced a webinar that was quite successful, and from then on we intend to create an online platform where we can get everyone to connect around these issues and feedback on these issues and co-create solutions together. One of the ways in which we're hoping to do this is we're currently redeveloping Tomorrow's Company's website, and the big thing about the website is that we no longer want it to be a static corporate, this is what we do, this is what we're about. We want it to be a living organism, an aggregator and a hub of what's happening. The way we're going to do that is by focusing on people, because we find we have so many interesting conversations with so many interesting and influential business leaders who know so much about sustainability and work with it every day. We want the website to reflect that passion and that capability and capacity for change. So we'll have profiles, we'll have everyone will be able to have Twitter follows that follow topics that they're interested in. You can comment on stuff, you can build with other people, and we'll have hashtag of the day, for instance. It could be Elephant and Castle, what's happening now, so that kind of thing. We're just starting to build and to create our space online, which is so important.
Fantastic. And obviously you want to make it a 300 million people like Facebook kind of a following, is it?
Well, if that happened, that would be amazing, but I'm not sure. But I mean, we do know that young people are incredibly interested in this stuff.
Okay.
I mean, that's certainly why I came to Tomorrow's Company and I'm doing what I'm doing now.
Fantastic.
But there isn't really a space online, I don't think, where you can kind of engage with that sort of stuff in a meaningful way and really know what's going on.
Super.
For real in that
Super.
space.
And I think the fact that there's so much of information and knowledge available and repositories of information like Tomorrow's Company can actually disseminate it to a wide group of people.
Yeah, I mean, that's
and we have this entire architecture of social media today that allows us to do that. That obviously makes it a little better. Well, best of luck with your initiatives, and I'm sure that it will work out very well, and I hope to be a contributor too. Thank you, Louise.